What is biochar? Biochar is a carbon-rich material produced by heating organic matter, such as wood, crop residues, or other plant-based biomass under low oxygen conditions, a process known as pyrolysis. Unlike regular charcoal intended mainly as a fuel, biochar is specifically created for use in soil amendment, carbon sequestration, and environmental management. Here's a closer look. Production and characteristics. Pyrolysis process. Biochar is typically made in a controlled, oxygen-limited environment at relatively high temperatures, 300 to 700 degrees Celsius. This process thermally decomposes the biomass and volatilizes the non-carbon components, leaving behind a highly porous, carbon-rich residue. Composition. Although the starting feedstock can vary widely, for example, wood chips, crop residues, or animal manure, the end product consistently contains high amounts of stable carbon and has a porous structure. Benefits and uses. Soil amendment. Biochar improves soil fertility by enhancing water retention, increasing nutrient availability, and promoting beneficial microbial life. Its porous nature helps trap nutrients that might otherwise leach away. Carbon sequestration. Because biochar is highly resistant to decomposition, it can lock away carbon for decades or even centuries when added to soils. This makes it a tool to mitigate climate change by keeping carbon out of the atmosphere. Waste management. Converting agricultural or forestry waste into biochar can help manage organic residues more sustainably. Water filtration and pollution control. In some cases, biochar is used to filter water or remediate contaminated soils by absorbing pollutants and heavy metals. Challenges and considerations. Production, scale, and consistency. Ensuring consistent quality, for example, carbon content, pH, and porosity, can be challenging, especially for small-scale or experimental setups. Economic factors. The cost of building pyrolysis units and handling large volumes of feedstock can be substantial. Potential environmental impact. Though considered a green approach, there are concerns about sustainability if feedstocks are not responsibly sourced or if harmful emissions are not controlled during production. In summary, biochar is a valuable resource that not only helps enrich soils, but also offers a promising approach to long-term carbon sequestration. As research and production methods advance, biochar is increasingly being explored for a wide range of applications related to sustainability and climate resilience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video about biochar helpful and want to learn more about sustainable solutions for our planet, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Join the conversation by leaving a comment below. How do you think biochar can make a difference in your community? Let's grow a greener future together.